Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make low-carb bagels easy guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, prepare almond flour, mozzarella, and egg, then mix dough until smooth. Shape into 6 bagels, brush with egg wash, and sprinkle sesame or everything seasoning. Bake for 15 minutes, flip, then bake 5 more minutes. Cool on a rack before slicing and serving warm with cream cheese. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Gather almond flour, shredded mozzarella, cream cheese, eggs, baking powder, and salt, plus your preferred toppings like sesame or everything seasoning. Measure precisely to keep carbs low and texture consistent. Microwave cheeses briefly until melted, then stir in flour and eggs to form a sticky dough. Chill the dough 10 minutes for easier handling, then shape into bagels on a lined baking sheet before baking as instructed. Use a food scale for best results. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this low-carb bagels guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Also, check out the product seen here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy companion for recipe ebooks and kitchen timers. I mention it as a fun, useful gadget to enjoy your cookbooks and notes while baking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Brush each shaped bagel with egg wash and add toppings for a golden finish and extra flavor. Bake on the middle rack to ensure even heat circulation and avoid overbrowning. After initial baking, flip bagels to brown both sides evenly and maintain chewy texture. Let bagels cool fully on a rack so they set and slice cleanly, then store cooled bagels in an airtight container to preserve freshness. Reheat briefly before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.